Okay, and I'm really surprised. I just plotted a schedule 10 minutes ago, and look, okay, look at what happened. Okay. Hello, hello mga Jacko Natics and mga Kaingo natin dyan. Okay, so again, it's your Tutor Jacko at your service. Okay, well, we have a new video today. So in this video, I'm gonna, let you know that, here in Ingo, booking is really not an issue. Okay, so are you excited? All right, now just watch this video till the end because I'm gonna let you know and I'm gonna show you that you know what we have a high booking rate here in Ingo. Okay, so are you ready? So let's get it on. Oh, ayan. Okay, so we're now here in the portal. Okay, because I just want to stress out some good points here. Okay. Well, of course, I've been in the industry for quite a while, and of course, now as one of the main goals for any tutor is to have a stable booking rate. Okay, which should provide constant supply of students and a steady income. Okay, like I said, guys, here in Ingo, it's not really, a problem. Okay, but of course, yeah, there are a lot of tips you can really follow to improve your booking rate. Okay, so like for example, consistency. Yeah, be consistent, have regular classes, avoid cancellation, or some, you can book in core hours, like yung maraming estudyante, like in the evening, and then overall class performance or class experience, like do the extra mile, inject some fun and enjoyment in the class, all right? And then also create a great first impression. All right, so that's one more thing. But here is the thing that I want to really highlight, okay, to really improve your booking is the teaching tags. Okay, so here in Ingo, you can apply for different teaching tags. Okay, if you can apply for all, then why not? Okay, so get as much taggings, okay, you can have because when you have, the right tagging, then your bookings will really improve. Okay? So, ayan, meron tayong taggings for, let's go, kids in advance, and then good at business, and also good with beginners. Again, guys, if you're new to this, if you're new to this industry or if you're new to Ingo, have this tagging, okay? Good with beginners, okay? Because in my own experience, yung tagging ko talaga at first is good for advance, okay? Kasi nga, pilingero ako, akala ko magaling talaga ako, but, when I had like, students na puro advance, nahihirapan ako because most of them can actually speak good English. In fact, most of them are actually can speak in a native way, okay? So, parang sunggo na, okay? Nosebleed na talaga. Okay, so, but nung na-experience ko sa advance, I need to plot a schedule ahead of time, like a day before, okay? Para kinabukasan, fully booked na agad, okay? Pero may mga close na mga schedules, okay? Kasi nga, konti lang yung advanced students. But when I shifted to good with beginners, andun na, okay? Nagbago na ang lahat. Okay, so wala na akong close na mga schedules. And then even before 30 minutes before time or even 16 minutes before the time, nabubook agad lahat. Okay? Even if yeah, like I said, 30 minutes before the time or 16 minutes before the time, kahit mayroong 1 minute na grace period. Kasi here in Ingo, wala tayong sudden bookings, okay? So, kapag ka lumampas na yung 15-minute threshold, like 15 minutes before the time, wala pa rin nag-book sa'yo, automatically, the system will close, okay, your schedule. So, alam mo na wala ka ng estudyante. Unlike other companies, meron silang sudden booking. So, dito, si Ingo, pinoprotektahan tayo na confident ka na pwede mo na isarado yung computer mo because wala ka ng estudyante. Okay? So, ganun dito guys. So, wala tayong sudden bookings. Paulit-ulit na. Okay? So, well, again, if you are new to Ingo, apply good with beginners. Okay? When you apply, here, meron 10 questions. Okay, perfect mo yung 10 questions. Madali lang naman. Okay, how to handle beginner students. Ayaw ko i-click ito, baka magalit si Ingo. Okay. So, pag i-click mo yan, lalabas na yung 10 questions. Okay, and then wala namang time pressure, so you can Google. Okay, so make sure na perfect siya. But you can take it twice. Okay, pag may namali ka ng isa, siguro nakaligtaan mo lang na feeling mo tama pero hindi pala. Okay, so merong mga taong ganyan, pa, feeling mo siya na pero hindi pala. Okay, going back. All right, now, yeah, again, this test can only be taken twice. Okay, so be very careful. Okay, now let me show you how I plot a schedule and pakita ko sa inyo na nabubook ka agad siya. Okay, so I think here is the video now. First thing we're gonna do is we need to plot a schedule. Okay, so punta tayo sa edit schedule. So makikita niyo na the available time na lang is 9:30. That's Philippine time. 9:30 in the morning. So click tayo ng 9:30. So today is 9:02 in the morning. Okay? So we will start 9:30. And then since nagka-cut off ako up to 12, so lima lang muna tayo ngayon for the morning session. Okay? So after you clicked it there, and then you just have to click update. So it's updating. So again, you go back to your daily schedule. Ayan na. So you have now an open slot. Okay? So I opened 5 today for the morning session. So ayan guys. So we will check now kung fully booked na ba tayo. Uy, nagpula yung yung 10 a.m. Ayan guys. So completed na lahat. No? Lima lang yung ko pero parang I feel really exhausted because of the 15-minute free conversation. Oh, ayan guys, andito na tayo sa ating afternoon session. Okay? So parang hindi pa rin ako maka-move on doon sa 15 minutes na free conversation. Okay? So parang naubos yung energy and vocabularies ko doon. Like make sure to check every time. Ayan, meron na. So, andyan, meron na akong 1 p.m. So, 12:40. Okay? So, again, guys, we're almost fully booked. Okay? Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. So, almost fully booked na ta. Thank you for the no-show, Lord. Okay. Thank you, Lord, for the no-show. Again, may mga estudyante na nagka-cancel ahead of time. Okay? So, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay. And then, it's a no-show. Party, party! Aside from morning and afternoon session, I also plot a schedule um, in in the evening. Okay? And I'm really surprised. I just plotted a schedule 10 minutes ago. And look. Okay. Look at what happened. Okay, that was as you can see here. Okay, so natapos na natin, guys. Okay, yung ating mga lessons. Okay, so we have 5 lessons in the morning, and then we have 8 lessons in the afternoon. And also like we have 11. Okay, in the evening. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so all in all, that's actually 24 lessons. Okay, oh, ayan guys. Okay, so nakita nyo na how I plotted schedule. I plotted schedules. Okay, so that's from morning, afternoon, and evening sessions. Okay, so that's all in all 24 lessons. Okay, well, by the way, thank you for watching. And again, if you are new to this channel, okay, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be updated of my new uploads. And if you like this video, please like and also comment down below if you have suggestions or if you have some comments. All right, so feel free to comment. If you don't like it, you comment down below. Okay, it can really help. Okay, it can really help me if you don't like it. Well, anyway, yeah, again, if you wanna join us here in the Ingo family, in the description of this video I put the link. All right, and also um if you try to go to my channel, visit my channel, because I have tons of videos that can really help you in the process, okay, from application down to start teaching here in Ingo. Okay, so that's it. Bye for now, and hope to see you again, guys, in my next video. Okay, so see you soon.